Once upon a time, in a lush forest nestled between towering mountains, lived two birds named Luna and Sol. Luna was a graceful nightingale with feathers as dark as the midnight sky, and Sol was a vibrant cardinal with plumage that glowed like the setting sun. Luna and Sol were inseparable companions, their melodies intertwining in harmonious duets that echoed through the forest canopy. They would spend their days exploring the endless greenery, discovering hidden clearings adorned with wildflowers, and bathing in the cool streams that meandered through the woods. Each dawn, Sol would awaken with a cheerful chirp, greeting the sun as it rose above the mountains, casting golden hues across the land. Luna would watch from the branches above, her eyes reflecting the quiet beauty of the night that lingered until dawn. As seasons passed, Luna and Sol faced challenges together. Once, a fierce storm swept through the forest, tearing branches and shaking their nests. Luna's gentle lullabies soothed Sol's fears as they huddled together, finding solace in their shared warmth and courage. But as time went on, Luna began to feel a longing that weighed heavily on her heart. She yearned to explore beyond the forest, to see the world that lay beyond the mountains where the sun kissed the ocean waves. Sol, devoted to Luna, understood her desire but feared losing the comfort of their familiar home. One crisp autumn morning, Luna perched on a branch overlooking the horizon, her feathers ruffled by a gentle breeze. Sol joined her, sensing her restlessness. With a tender gaze, Luna whispered, "Sol, my dearest friend, I must follow the call of the unknown. But wherever I may roam, your melody will always guide me home." Sol nodded silently, his heart heavy yet knowing that Luna's spirit soared with the freedom of the skies. With a bittersweet farewell, Luna took flight, her wings carrying her towards distant lands where her dreams awaited. Seasons turned once more, and Sol remained in their forest home, singing songs that echoed through the trees, a melody of hope and remembrance. He knew that one day, beneath the same sun that embraced him and Luna, their paths would cross again. And so, the tale of Luna and Sol became a legend whispered among the branches and carried by the wind. For in their journey of love and longing, they taught the forest that true companionship transcends distance and time, weaving their story into the fabric of the ever-changing sky.